Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 Wave by Nike in collaboration with Dutch streetwear and sneaker boutique Patta. It comes in a white and silver Nike and Patta branded box with each one teach one printed on the lid. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white and special paper that depicts a skeleton character reading a Patta book below the moon with the words Eternal Education. They also threw in an extra set of slightly darker Russett brown laces and an orange Patta each one teach one printed on its hang tag. As much as I love the packaging, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. I like the gradient effect on its smooth brown leather upper that contrasts its grey mesh underlays. The subtle Patta branding can be seen on the black and silver tongue, plus the slate blue print on its black insoles. The silver trim around the Nike swoosh on both sides of its mid panel is a great touch. However, I just wish they didn't have that maroon sock liner, the slate blue colour choice on the top two eyelets, and Nike Air branding at the heel. It would have been better in silver or grey, as seen on the mini swoosh on the lateral toe. Overall, I prefer the classic Air Max 1 design compared to the Waves pack, but I'm really impressed with the colourway and materials on this pair. Is it a 2 pairs minimum? Not for me, but sizing wise it feels a little generous at the toe compared to the other Air Max 1s, which I prefer, so I recommend staying true to size. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. Thanks for watching. Use my discount code 2pairs15 for 15% off liquid proof for all your footwear aftercare needs. Apart from that, have a good day.